DJI Mini 4 Pro, Pool and Clubhouse. Got that coming up next. Bill, Drone Reviewer here. Like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Ever since I've gotten the DJI Mini 4 Pro, it has fast become a favorite drone of mine. Today we went ahead and did Spotlight POI mode over the clubhouse and part of the pool. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, today we're going to take the DJI Mini 4 Pro up and do a Spotlight POI on the clubhouse here where we live. We've got 26 satellites. Everything's looking good. I'm going to go ahead and start screen recording here. The screen recording is underway. Let's go ahead and take off. Get up to about 100 feet here. Okay, we are at 100 feet. Okay, let's go ahead and slide over. I'll just pitch the gimbal, of course. Do that. Okay, we are probably right where I want to be. I want to back up a little bit here. Okay, let's go ahead and start recording. Okay, video recording is underway. POI, and we're going to start here, and we're doing it slow. And the aircraft's adjusting right now. %, battery, 28 satellites. Now, one of the things to get out of this complete, obviously you would need to hit stop when you're done. This doesn't automatically stop like Master Shots does. And to get out of the mode, you need to tap on the green X that you see in the middle of the screen right there. I really like the speed with which this is doing it because it captures a lot of detail and you see a lot of things on here. Be able to get a good look at the pool. It is an absolute wonderful facility, the clubhouse. There are different clubs meeting there. There's a pool room, there's a card room, there's a craft room in there. We also have a large auditorium where we'll have local groups, local bands, some cover singers come in there. They'll have different parties in there like at Halloween or at Christmas. It's just a wonderful facility. Plus, like I said, we also have the incredible restaurant on site called the Bistro that just does a fantastic job. Adjusting the gimbal a little bit here so you can see some more. We have 67% battery left. Can barely hear the Mini 4 Pro right now. And we're coming around here. Take a look at the circular driveway in front of the clubhouse here. Almost getting to the point where I'm going to stop it here. Not quite there yet. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit stop and then tap on the X there, and it's out of the mode, and now we can go ahead and do a return to home.
Return to home.
Also, just to let you know, when you're doing Spotlight or POI, you want to move the screen recording where you see the stop over there with the countdown timer. You want to move it over to the left. That way, because when you tap on stop and things like that, it will stop your screen recording. So, let's take a look, see how we do on the landing here. Looks like we're gonna do pretty good today. Looking really good here. Alright, that was a wonderful test of the Mini 4 Pro using Spotlight POI at the clubhouse here today. Now here's the actual footage from the Spotlight POI mode. Question of the day: what did you think of the DJI Mini 4 Pro POI Spotlight Mode Pool and Clubhouse? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.